My name is Jeff Detweiler. I'm the president of construction materials at New Enterprise Stone and Lime. Customer service is kind of one of the foundations at New Enterprise. And what we found out was that we weren't servicing our customer the way we wanted to. So understanding and trying to get from a reactive to a predictive effort is critical to servicing our customers. Not only does it add operational efficiency, it also adds safety, and it ends up servicing our customers when they need the product that we provide. Over the next 5 years, we anticipate almost a 50% turnover in our workforce. We have 40-year veteran coworkers, but when they retire, the next generation coming up doesn't have that expertise. So with the KCF equipment, we're able to actually put monitors in play, try to accelerate their experience. So we're able to try to hopefully be better with the younger workforce or less experienced workforce. In the past 6 months, there have been about 2,000 triggers, and those triggers resulted in about 100 actionable items that we're able to take, whether it be greasing or a premature failure, and we're able to actually prevent failure from occurring. So that's kind of the evolution we go from being reactive to predictive, and predictive is where we want to be.
My name's Jim Murkowski. I'm the Vice President of Information Technology for New Enterprise Stone and Lime. So I'm in charge of all the infrastructure, IT operations, as well as selecting new technology for the business. But more importantly, I have a group of business analysts that engage with the business, understand their needs, understand what we have, what we're missing, what we want to have, and then go out to the marketplace and find and select and implement new technologies to support the business and the operation of the business. Advice for organizations that are implementing these types of technologies: one, have clear objectives. Know where your biggest opportunities are. But balance those big ambitions with practical applications. Do a pilot, demonstrate that you really get value. Drive adoption by engaging coworkers early. Measure your results and prove to the business that it's worth the investment in technology. The next thing is have clean data. Garbage in, garbage out, we all know the saying, and AI can make really good decisions quickly. It can make really bad decisions quickly. So prepare your organization, make sure you have clean data, engage your workforce, and then realize that at the end of the day, your people are the key to your success. We could put all the technology that we want on our plants, but without Larry to understand what that technology does, the product will have no value.
I'm Larry Kessler. I am the HMA Hot Mix Asphalt Performance Manager at New Enterprise. KCF actually approached me to see if I was interested in a pilot. Their proximity made it easier for me to say yes, because it was simple to get them down and do the install. And once we had that pilot in, we actually had good results fairly quickly. I think within the first few weeks, we had a catch that probably saved tens of thousands of dollars. And then over the next 2 months, we had more of that. So we knew that this was a viable technology and a viable system. We did do the pilot, 2 different plants, an aggregate plant and asphalt plant, and had good success. We were able to show operations that this is a viable means for good actionable data, and we rolled that out from there.